felt trying to dig all this stuff out just to get pairs of shoes. It's pretty awesome. All this fucking shit that I have to go through and try to get rid of stuff. It's kind of how I feel about society. How frustrating society makes me sometimes. Honestly, it might be anything more frustrated than having to do this. got some work to do. Whew. That was embarrassing. I wasn't ready to shred my hands up anymore, so I just did some. I need Gatorade. I just did some sets of push-ups after. I'm really out of shape. That's why I don't like to commit to working out, because if you don't have the time or the resources or the environment to work out constantly, you're going to build muscle and then it just goes away when you can't do it as much. So I like to be in a position where I can really set a rigorous schedule and get some output out of it. Because like what I did in the past when I was traveling, I wasn't really able to work out because I had to make money, and I don't want to burn through resources last couple weeks, and like I got skinnier. You also have to be able to get your hands on a nutritious, high protein diet with a decent amount of carbs, depending on your body type, and a lot of hydration, a lot of rest, a lot of sleep. And my own personal trick that I haven't used yet is meditation to focus on sore, rebuilding muscle groups. And I believe that will expedite the muscle building process. To ice cold Arizona's, 99 cents, classics. Set a wide selection of smoking devices and Delta 8 at this gas station. He said this is the best one, or one of the best ones that they had. And then of course, one of my favorite snacks on the planet, pumpkin seeds. And I read somewhere that I think pumpkin seeds are good for getting rid of toxins or neutralizing toxins in your body. I could be wrong, but I think I read that somewhere. It's pretty good. It's got a nice kick to it. Not too bad. Sometimes in life, I think it's important to not necessarily focus on what's the most difficult for you, but what people think is the most difficult for you. Because if you don't, and you just stay where people think you're supposed to be, and you know they're wrong, it's not ever going to be good for you. And lucky for me, what people think is hard for me, or certain things that people think are hard for me, aren't that hard. So actually isn't that bad of a scenario, I guess.